Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. Today we are going to be decorating my creative journal. So it is sophisticated florals, it is a vertical layout in a classic size from the Happy Planner. We are doing this week, that is the week of October 3rd through the 9th. And I decided to do something fun and whimsical in this spread this time around, so stay tuned. And while I do that, I wanted to say thank you. If you are here for the first time, welcome. And if you are here coming back to spend more time with me, welcome. I'm super excited. Okay, so I am going to be doing this very whimsical spread. It is from the Icons sticker book from Calva Plan. I figured that it would be a fun way to start October. So I know a lot of you will be doing like Halloween spreads throughout the month, so am I, but this is kind of like a kid, cartoonish, super whimsical start of my month, and it will be great to write out some of these things that are happening this week in a very colorful way. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Halloween is all about like the sweets, the candy, the fun decor, and all of that fun stuff. So why not add that into my seasonal planners as well? And as you guys already know, the creative journal for me is very near and dear to my heart. It's my favorite planner. And that's sometimes when I do my hardest work, between that and my wellness, which I guess this is kind of part of my wellness as well. Those two planners get the brunt of my emotions. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and add all of these little things into my planner. So like this girl holding the blue mug, I really like it, the skeleton mug. I think it's so cute, so I wanted to go ahead and put that in. I shouldn't assume it's a girl, right, just because she has painted nails. So a hand holding this mug, to be more correct. And I'm gonna add some of these pumpkin jack-o'-lanterns. I think that's great. And then let's add a couple more things. I think that'll be a lot of fun. Let's add one of these shirts. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. I'm like loving it. I'm gonna add a couple of these. I am leaving some room for myself to be able to write, you guys, so this should be a fairly quick plan with me this week, because like I said, this is already pretty full. I think these stickers are just adorable. I think that Calva Plan Heather did an amazing job designing these, and I couldn't wait to use them. And October is here. Another fun thing that I do in October, I'm not sure if you guys have your own traditions like this as well, but for many years now, as October approaches, so October 1st, I start watching the Addams Family, but the actual series with black and white. They just crack me up and put me in such a good Halloween mood. I can't help myself. So that's exactly what I do. I find that so fun and whimsical to start October's, and then it has enough episodes to last me a whole month. So I'll watch like 2 or 3 a day, sometimes as I'm planning, and they put me in that spirit mood. They're just such a quirky show. So, and I know that a new Addams Family show is coming called Wednesday, so I'm very excited about that one too. So my October is on its way. If you guys have fun traditions like this, let me know down below. I'm always interested to see what other people are doing. Okay, couple more things I think, and I should be pretty set. So let's take a look. I can add another box right there so I can journal. And then I think the only other thing is I'm missing like a black thing on the right side, and then that'll be it. So let me go ahead and put this little witch's smoothie. Let's see. Okay, I think that looks really good. I think it brings in the color, and then I just want one more journaling box. For the other side, like I said, to make sure that I can journal, and that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know down below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon for another plan with me. Let me just pop this back into my planner and enjoy your week, you guys. Bye.